Howdy. Just wanted to emphasize the need to not use these on aluminum. These cleaning wheels, abrasive cleaning wheels, don't use them on aluminum. Believe it or not, it takes a considerable amount of aluminum off just by using them. Someone did that to this, and it might be difficult for you to see, but they tried to get this corrosion out and this pit out by using that wheel, and it just completely warped. I'm not sure it's going to catch it, but as you bring this back, you can see a huge gap right there. And the problem with this is the head. This is the head. So if you screw this up, you're replacing the whole head. And yeah, that's no. For something stupid like that, yeah, don't use them wheels. So the proper way to do it is back here. We have the same problem. And all I do, you can see that rust, corrosion, just take a razor blade and go across it. That's it. Now you've got a nice flat surface to put your, don't let any leaves go in there, to put your gasket back on. And what little bit of corrosion is left in those pits, you leave it there and you still got a nice flat surface. Now, you're going to have to use your gasket maker along with this, but by all means, don't dig this down. You're just creating more problems for yourself by doing that. Just take the razor blade, it'll give you a nice flat surface again. Clean that up with wax, or not, but brake clean. Use a small, thin amount of gasket maker, and that's all you need. We did the same thing with this front one. Hopefully I'll be able to save it. But this little bit of corrosion started to occur as well, and I just took a razor blade to it, and it's nice and flat. But if you take those wheels, those cleaning wheels to it, you are permanently damaging the surface, that flat surface, and causing yourself more problems that you're trying to avoid, because you need this to seal up really good. So you don't want it like this side where it has dips in it and it's not flat anymore. So again, once I get this all cleaned up with brake clean, I'm going to have to use considerable more amount of gasket maker here, because they've destroyed this so much. So there's that. So again, don't use those cleaning wheels on aluminum. It takes way too much material off before you know it, and it's really not necessary. Just take a real sharp razor blade, scrape it. That's it. Make sure it's nice and clean. RTV. Ship it. Alrighty, there you have it. Happy trails. Hasta luego. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Appreciate your comments. See ya.